Lately, I've been hearing strange noises from the sewer in my storeroom wash area. It sounded like some creature, but I couldn't figure out what it was, so I told Miller. He grabbed his remote-controlled robot, Wally, connected it to his phone, and sent it into the sewer. We watched through the screen. Nothing at first. Then suddenly, a white figure flashed by, and the robot's signal went haywire. It wasn't an animal. It was a spirit. Have you ever heard something strange in your home too? Comment below. Let's find out who else isn't